Eagles Viewpoint in ShanthiPura, Nuwaraeliya, Sri Lanka. The Eagles Viewpoint, a newly established scenic overlook in ShanthiPura village, the highest elevated village in Sri Lanka's Nuwaraeliya district, offers stunning panoramic views of the picturesque landscape. Visitors can marvel at the rolling hills covered in vibrant tea plantations, lush greenery, and the majestic backdrop of distant mountain ranges. ShanthiPura, the highest village in Sri Lanka, located 6,300 feet, 1,920 meters above sea level, was established in the 1960s by T. William Fernando, a former Member of Parliament for Nuwaraeliya. In 1980, then Prime Minister R. Premadasa provided improved infrastructure to the area and renamed it Mudungala, though it continues to be widely known as ShanthiPura. The viewpoint, a long-standing vantage point in the area, was recently upgraded with a multi-storied viewing platform built and managed by the Sri Lanka Air Force. The viewpoint features two main sections: a viewing platform and the Eagles Lounge at the top. The lounge offers a more exclusive experience, with comfortable seating and services provided by a Barista Café. Lying just 4 kilometers from the Nuwaraeliya town, it takes just 10 to 15 minutes to travel to this viewpoint, with breathtaking views of valleys, tea plantations, and distant mountain ranges. Best time to visit Eagles' Viewpoint in ShanthiPura. The ideal time to visit the viewpoint is in the early morning, just before the mist rolls in and obscures the scenery. During this time, the sunlight creates an enchanting glow over the hills. It's best to steer clear of misty days when the fog lingers and blocks the view all day long. Ticket prices for Eagles' Viewpoint in ShanthiPura, Nuwaraeliya, 2025. Description: price viewing deck, ground and first floor. Local, adults 100, Sri Lankan rupees. Local, children 12 years and less, 50 Sri Lankan rupees. Foreign, adults $5, foreign, children 12 years and less, USD to Eagles Lounge, entire area including top deck. Local, adults LKR 500. Local, children 12 years and less, LKR 200. Foreign, adults USD 10. Foreign, children 12 years and less, USD 2. Please touch with Heen Maama YouTube channel. Its guide to visit beautiful travel destination in Sri Lanka.